Hey guys, for today's video, I'm just going to be showing you my process on how I've just started to do some of my flowers. I'm not really the best at explaining, but I can really try to explain how I do it, and I really just hope you can see how I do it. I really apologize if there are times that maybe my hand is blocking exactly what you see. I'm definitely going to work on maybe finding a better angle so you can see it better. But I just hope you can kind of see what I'm doing with going through and starting with small C's and then working my way to big C's. And it's okay if it's messy, because nothing is perfect and every flower is beautiful in its own way anyway. So I just go through and, like I said, start with some small C's in the middle. And then as I work my way out, I do bigger C's, and I just do a nice light wash first. And I definitely leave some white spaces in between. And then I clean out the outer edge with a clean brush and just go over those colors just on the outer side and leave the inside a little more detailed. And then for the second wash, I will go in with a really deep pink. That way I can highlight some different shadows. And I try to go over some same spots, but then I try to open some new spots up, because again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then just again, the super main important part is once you get to those outer edges, make sure to clean that brush like I do right here, and then clean up that outer edge with just a clean brush, and that way it's not so harsh on the edges and it gives it more of that soft look. So after I'm done with that, I will go and make a few more flowers with that same technique. Again, this would probably be one of the parts where you can't really see what I'm doing, and I'm so sorry, but again, I start with the little C's in the middle and then keep some white spaces in between, and then here you see me going out to the longer C's. And again, you see it's very light because I like to do a light wash first, so those colors and shades and all go together when I come back in with the darker wash and add more of a deeper pink to it so those colors can build up. And I just want to throw out there that this is just the way I do it, and I've been learning, and there's many different ways to learn and techniques and how to create, so you can evolve. There's just so many ways. You can start one way and finish a different way, so whatever works for you and whatever you like to be your end result is really important. And as you keep practicing and learning, there's many new things you can adapt and include along the way to make it look more realistic or cartoonish, or just whichever style you're going for. So that's completely up to you. And so from here, I will just continue to make a few more big flowers this way. done making the big flowers, I went in and just made some little small ones. And then I went in with some leaves, and then I started to do some negative painting. And I've never done this technique before. I've seen it in a couple videos, so I wanted to try it out and give it my own spin. So this is what I came up with. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope it helped in any way.